Hey, welcome back to BURNWOOD Bushcraft. Today we're going to take a closer look at this multi-purpose pouch from Hemlock Mountain Outdoors. Hemlock Mountain Outdoors is owned and operated by fellow YouTuber Kurt Zitzelman. He specializes in making hammocks, underquilts, top quilts, and tarps. Here is my personal setup. He also offers accessories, merchandise, and custom work. He would be happy to work with you on something. So I've been using this pouch for a couple months now, and I'm using it as my fire kit. You can use this for all kinds of things, a little toiletry bag, whatever. This came in the mail as a surprise. I had no idea what it was. This is kind of like a prototype. He just threw it together after he watched one of my videos, and he saw that I had a possibles pouch hanging from a tree, and I was going in it to get my fatwood or something out of it. And so he thought to himself, there's got to be a better way to hang a pouch. So he came up with this. So this pouch is made from 600D PVC coated polyester canvas. You can see he's got his little signature zipper pulls on here. Here on the front he's got a little leather patch with my logo burned into it. I think he said it took him like 30-45 minutes to burn that in. It took him some time to do that. I hope you guys can see that. It's pretty dark out here in the woods. Got his logo right here, Hemlock Mountain Outdoors. On the back you see it's got a little carabiner that you can hang it. So like I said, I've been using this as my fire kit. I've got my fatwood in there. I got a ferro rod, some more fire starting stuff in this little zippered compartment right here, little mesh pouch, matches, jute twine, stuff like that. So yeah, I got my fatwood in there. I got a ferro rod. So as you can see, he's got these snaps with these straps. And the idea behind this was to be able to hang it like a shelf. Obviously I'm not on a solid tree, so it's kind of hanging down a little bit more, but and I noticed that the straps wasn't really, they were a little bit too long, so you have to open it up way too wide, and that was making the shelf go down a little more. I didn't know it, but he said these are removable, these straps, and I never even thought about trying to remove it, but I think it's functional how it is. If you don't unzip it all the way, it holds it up pretty nice. Bright orange, highly visible. Got a little camo on there, woodland camo. Pretty sharp. All this is handmade by Kurt, hand stitched, right here in the United States of America, baby. So yeah, that's a little bit of a closer look at this pouch. Even if you're not a hammock, if you're not into hammocks, Kurt makes other types of gear. So I'm gonna make sure his website is in the description, and you can take a look at some of his stuff, pouches, day packs, water bottle holders for your pack, all kinds of stuff like that. Kurt's a good guy. I consider him a good friend, and I've hiked with him a couple times up in Pennsylvania. He's been down here, him and Dragon Rome, Skinny G Panda. Thank you again, Kurt. I really appreciate the pouch. It's made a good addition to my pack, and I foresee using this thing for a long time. As always, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next one.